How to withdraw earnings on Crush Live. If you are already generating earnings inside Crush Live, understanding how to withdraw is a key part of the process. It is not enough to see an available balance. You also need to choose the withdrawal method carefully, review fees, and confirm the operation correctly. In this video, we will explain how to withdraw earnings on Crush Live from the May section inside the app. We will also review what you need before requesting a withdrawal, how the available methods work, and why you should check every detail before confirming. The link to register as an agent and the link to the complete original guide that this video is based on are in the description of this video. If you are not an agent yet, first complete the agent registration on Crush Live. After that, you can review how earnings, commissions, and withdrawals work inside the app. Why it is important to understand withdrawals. Withdrawing earnings is one of the most important steps for any agent or user who already has an available balance on Crush Live. The app may show your earnings in gems, the approximate value in USD, the withdrawal methods, the fees, and the real amount you could receive after deductions. That is why, before tapping withdraw, it is better to review the information carefully. An incorrect method, a poorly written address, or the wrong network can cause problems with your request. Before requesting a withdrawal. Before requesting a withdrawal on Crush Live, check that your account has an available balance and that you can access the withdraw section inside the app. You also need to have a withdrawal method ready and, if the app requests it, a payment security password. Keep these points in mind. You must have available earnings in gems. The app shows the approximate value in USD before sending the request. You must link a withdrawal method and review its minimum amount, fee, and arrival time. The platform may request a payment security password to confirm the withdrawal. Steps to withdraw earnings. To withdraw earnings on Crush Live, the process is done from the app. Follow the steps calmly and review every detail before confirming the request. 1. Enter May and tap Withdraw. 2. Review your balance on the My Earnings screen. 3. In withdrawal methods, tap Added if you do not have a method linked yet. 4. Select your country, choose a payment method, and link your account or address. 5. Enter the withdrawal amount in USD and review the transfer fee. And 6. Tap Withdraw and enter your payment security password to confirm the request. This final step is important. Before confirming, review the selected method, the requested amount, the fee, and the real amount received. Available withdrawal methods. Withdrawal methods may change depending on the country and the account. In general, the app may show options such as PayPal, Payoneer, Binance, USDT TRC20, USDT BEP20, or ePay. Each method may have a different fee. For example, some methods show fees such as 1%, 1.5%, 2.5%, or 3.2%, in addition to withdrawal minimums or minimum fees. This means not all methods work the same way. Before linking one, review the withdrawal minimum, the transfer fee, and the estimated arrival time. Always review the details shown inside the app before linking a payment method or sending a withdrawal. Withdrawal by USDT TRC20. A practical withdrawal option may be USDT TRC20, if it is available in your country and account. To use it, you must link an address compatible with the TRC20 network. Before confirming the withdrawal, the app may show the requested amount, the real amount received, the transfer fee, the linked method, and the network used for the withdrawal. Make sure the USDT TRC20 address is correct. If you send funds to the wrong network or to an incorrect address, you could lose the withdrawal. This point is especially important. In cryptocurrency withdrawals, the network and the address must match correctly. Payment security password. The first time you try to withdraw, Crush Live may ask you to create a 6-digit payment security password. This password is used to confirm withdrawals and protect your account. The process normally works like this. 1. You request the withdrawal. 2. You create a 6-digit numeric password and confirm it. 3. You tap Withdraw again. 4. You enter the security password. And 5. You confirm the withdrawal request. Keep this password in a safe place. Do not share it with other people. Changing the security password. If you need to change the payment security password, you can do it from the account settings. The path inside the app is this. 1. Enter Me. 2. Tap Settings. 3. Enter Settings. 4. Tap Account Security. And 5. Select Change Payment Security Password. This option may appear after you have created the password for the first time during a withdrawal. Rates, minimums, and times. Crush Live may show a conversion rate between gems and USD. For example, the app may indicate a reference such as 10,000 gems equals $1 together with the approximate value in local currency. Before confirming a withdrawal, review these details inside the app. Minimum withdrawal amount and selected payment method. Transfer fee or minimum fee. Real amount received after deductions. Estimated arrival time according to the selected method. Some withdrawals may be credited within an approximate period indicated by the app, but the real time may depend on the payment method and the third-party platform. Note: withdrawal information may change inside Crush Live. Always review the details shown in the app before linking a payment method or confirming a withdrawal request. Frequently asked questions. Where do I withdraw my earnings on Crush Live? You can withdraw from the Me section. Tap Withdraw and then enter the My Earnings screen to review your balance and withdrawal methods. What do I need to withdraw earnings? You need an available balance, a linked withdrawal method, and a payment security password to confirm the request. What is the minimum withdrawal on Crush Live? The minimum may change depending on the withdrawal method. In some methods, a minimum of $10 or $20 may appear. Always check the minimum shown inside the app. Can I withdraw by USDT TRC20? Yes, if the option is available in your account and country. You must link a correct USDT TRC20 address before requesting the withdrawal. Why do I receive less than the requested amount? Because the app may deduct a transfer fee depending on the withdrawal method. Before confirming, review the real amount received. Before you finish. Withdrawing earnings on Crush Live requires reviewing your balance, payment method, fees, minimums, withdrawal network, and security password. If you do the process carefully, you can avoid errors and confirm your request better inside the app. The registration link is in the description of this video. The link to the complete original guide is also in the description of this video. If you want to keep learning how Crush Live works for agents, subscribe to the channel. Here you will find more guides about registration, hosts, invited agents, commissions, withdrawals, and tools inside the app.